Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be this month's Boxycharm, and I'm gonna go ahead and get it started. I really have not much to say. I don't typically watch people's like reviews and everything on this stuff, but Jackie Aina's 30th birthday party was like sponsored, or kind of they gave out treat bags and it was all this, and then Kathleen Lights posted about it on Instagram. I was like, ugh. So I kind of already know one of the things that's in it. But this month's kind of like, I guess, theme is beach please. Oh yeah. But I'm going to zoom in the rest of my face so we can go ahead and do the rest of my face. And the first thing I'm going to pull out is this right here. This is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 2 palette. I'm really excited because I hear so many great things about Tarte and their eyeshadows. And I only have the Tartelette in Bloom, so I'm really happy about this. This is what it looks like. It's so pretty, so pretty, so pretty. Look at it. I love the colors. Honestly, these are colors that I would really wear. So I'm kind of excited to see how it all works out. Something else that came in the box is this $10 off orders over $60 on Tarte. And you just use the code Boxy August, and it's valid from the 15th through September 15th, so I may go on there because there are a couple of things that I've been wanting. And I'm going to go ahead and pull this out, which this is the Moda Pro like brush set, and it has 3 brushes, which I just realized it has like a two big brushes that I could have used. So let me go ahead and take these out. So these are the 3 brushes that it came with. It came with this pointed blush brush, which I actually have lately not been liking very dense brushes. This will probably be good to like almost contour or bronze up a bit. And this one right here, it's the chisel brush, which I don't even think I'd use it for like powder contour, maybe for like cream contour because it's so densely packed, or maybe to like use this to like stamp right here for like when you want to put translucent powder right there. And then it comes with this small little blending brush, which this is called a crease brush, and they all have like other like letters or something, which I will put everything that's in this box down below and a link for you to get your own box. And yeah, I think I'm going to use this brush today. Okay, so I already have my eyes primed and everything, so they're ready to go. I'm honestly gonna go ahead and start with this one. Just go ahead and start with this. And I feel like some of them are like really like metallic, I think. So I'm going to go in with Conch and a bit of Marina to start putting in my crease. So this brush it's not working out for me. So I'm going to use the Morphe E27 and pick up those 2 shades, tap off the excess, and start to put it in my crease. I'm going to do something very simple. I'm not going to do something like super crazy because I'm not really into crazy shit. So that may make me sound boring, but I'm sorry guys. I'm not really getting any like hiccup or anything. Like I honestly feel like I'm not even getting anything, but as you can see, I am getting a bit of color. They're not super pigmented, so I feel like this will be actually a great palette for people to start off with because it's not pigmented and you can build it up to however dark you want it, which is really great, and I actually really enjoy that. I kind of like stuff like this, but at the same time I think it could be a bit more pigmented, but there's like really no fallout. Like there's nothing, there's like nothing coming off. There's like no fallout, not even on my eye. And I'm actually gonna go ahead and use that chisel brush with some NYC Smooth Skin Loose Base Powder in Translucent, and I'm actually going to put it on the outer corner of my eye so that I can get like a very precise line. And I didn't do it like right at the corner because I kind of want some brown to also get right here on the bottom lash line so that I can go ahead and naturally connect to that. So I'm going to get a bit of concealer, and this is just the ColourPop concealer, which I'm going to actually guys, I'm gonna try this again, but I'm going to kind of not cut the crease, but almost. So I'm grabbing this Wet n Wild like shader brush, and I'm just going to start to like pack this on, and I'm mostly gonna do it in the inner corner. So now I'm going to actually pick up this other small Wet n Wild shade, and I'm actually going to pick up this one right here. I'll just say it's the shade Breezy. I'm gonna pick that up, coat my brush, and start to pack it on. And I am going to use some setting spray. You can use whichever, but I just wanted to see if it'll go a bit more metallic. Maybe it'll help it pack on a bit better. So then I guess I'm going to use the big brush from, what's it called? What's this brand called again? Moda, I think. And I'm just going to use it to sweep away a bit of the fallout. It did get a bit fallouty-ish, but it's just because I was putting on a lot of it. But so far, guys, I actually don't hate it. My eyes do tend to crease a lot, so that's probably why it's kind of getting like that. My eyes, like they like have like an overlap, as you can see. So now I'm going to go back into Marina, and I'm going to pick up this Morphe 562 brush and start to deepen it up right here. Okay, and now I'm going to pick up the brush that I was using before, which is the crease brush from Moda, and I'm going to pick up the shade Riptide and a bit of Siren together, and I'm going to start packing that on the outer corner and slowly fade it into, what's the shade again? Breezy. I'm gonna first pack it on and then start to blend it out. And you can just start flicking it out towards your translucent powder. And then you go back into the E27 and start to blend out the edges. Just softly in circular motions and windshield wiper motions. So I'm going to actually grab that Morphe M62 and pick up Siren and Riptide together, and I'm actually going to bring that in right on top of, what's that shade? I keep forgetting. Breezy. Right there. Okay, so I'm actually kind of living for this. So I'm going to go ahead and just highlight my brow bone, which I'm going to use the shade Pearl and Conch. Oh, that's really pretty. And I'm going to go back into that Morphe brush and blend it out a little bit more so everything is seamless. And you kind of do like lose a bit of the gray of it, so I just went in more in it, and it does help it, but I feel like the shades are like almost too similar. So I'm going to go in a little bit with Pearl, very little, and just tap on a little bit to make it a bit lighter. So I put on a bit of eyeliner, and they're pretty dramatic-ish, but honestly my eyeliner has come out way worse than this, but I actually think it kind of ties in with the makeup look. So anyways, the next thing I'm going to grab from the box is this Bellapierre Cosmetics eyeliner. And I'm going to take a small little pencil brush. I'm actually going to take this ColourPop one because it is small, but it's actually big. That's the way I like it. And I'm going to actually start off with the shade Marina and start running that on my under eye. And then I'm going to take an even smaller, more pointed brush, and I'm going to take the brush, the Morphe M431, and I'm going to take the gray one and run it right on the inner corner part, like right there close to the waterline. And then I'm going to take one that's about the same size as well, and this is the Morphe E36, and I'm going to take the dark shades Riptide and Siren, and I'm going to put that on the outer corner. And then I'm going to go back into Merino with the pencil brush and blend it out below all of those shadows. The box also came with some lashes. Pretty excited, and these are PUR, and these are in the style Diva. I've never tried these eyelashes, and these eyelashes actually look like some that I'd be into. They look very fluttery and everything. I don't know if you can see it, but they look very pretty. So I'm going to quickly put these on and I'll be right back, guys. So my camera cut off. I don't know where it cut off or anything, but the whole entire box was great. I will definitely leave a link down below, and I will leave a link, I think, to, if I can find all of the stuff that's in the box. But yeah, guys, that's it. Thanks so much for watching. And now that it's kind of dry, it's already cracking and it's like separating. I'm not a big fan of the formula. Maybe I should continue to try it. And it's like going into my mouth. Ugh. But I love this color, guys. Love it. So anyways, guys, that's it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.